latest addition to the shed. So have to be the ultimate shed tool, apart from a CNC machine of course. Those are getting pretty close. Full metal lathe. Something that I've always wanted but never really looked at getting, but we had some means to, so this is what we ended up with. I've already created my first part actually. I made some spacers for the coil packs on the 86. So what I ended up doing was taking this rod of stainless, machining it down, drilling a hole in it with that hole there, drill bit, and then cutting them off with the cut-off blade. So yeah, pretty cool machine. Steel goes in there, can be quite large. Steel there can hold, or you can hold on the outside, or there's a 4-jaw chuck in the cupboard actually that allows you to hold even different things again. There's a stabilizer there, another stabilizer there, different jobs. Then on here you got a quick release chuck which holds in your bits. So there's the normal one that we use for cutting. You have to space them up with a hunk of steel to get them perfectly centre, because you want that bit to be dead on centre of where you're working. And then yeah, there's dials to wind it back. This one goes sideways, and then your drill. So normally this would have, it comes with just a centre, but we've put a drill chuck in there so you can whack drill bits in, and then you got the same thing, wind that to move that out. It's very odd spinning something here and a drill bit not actually moving like you normally would see. Then you can even lock that, and you lock that in place so it doesn't move. So that's super handy to drill holes and things. And then you get different speeds. So yellow one does the yellow speeds, white does the white speeds, and so on. This drive to change the drive of this, so this will spin at a determined speed of what that's spinning. And what that does is allows you to engage these so it actually moves along. I'll engage that to move that forward, engage that to move that sideways as well. Super handy for when you run something you don't have to wind it by hand and get horrible marks, horrible cut marks. You just set it automatically and away it goes. So yeah, pretty cool tool. Should make some interesting pieces for the 86. Like I said, I already made some washers which came out pretty choice. Easier than buying stuff. Just a bit of time on the lathe and getting the hang of it. No expert, so I won't have a clue how to do fancy stuff, but I know the basics, which is all that matters, and you can learn the rest. So yeah, let me know what you want to see done on the lathe. I'm just going to keep coming up with things for the 86 that I'll probably start documenting. But yeah, if you guys have any good ideas, just fire them through. Or if you want to see maybe a how-to video on some stuff, I don't really know a whole lot, but I find my way around, and if anyone's got a lathe that they don't know how to use, I'll be able to just tell them how to turn it on. That green button does the trick. Yeah. So got some parts actually, some 4H parts a while back. These are chilling over here. So we've got a black top 16 valve, not just a black top cover sitting on a 16 valve. That's always good fun. So yeah, we've got 2 gearboxes, and one that's left over from the 86, another T50. It came with these engines, which turns out this one is actually a proper 86 engine. It's all rear-wheel drive bits on it, rear-wheel drive water, intake, etc. It's even had the loom like directly cut off, so even actually came with power steering bits as well, which is always handy. Which is, yeah, pretty cool. Some Kobe extractors over there. This is just a blue top for my front wheel drive car, so A82 or something. I've already stolen bits off them for the 86, so she took the front covers off this one for the 86 and made that tidier. So yeah, one of these is planning to go in a car. Now, it's a mate's car that he's got. It's something that's rear-wheel drive already, but is way underpowered for what he wants to do. So yeah, we've got plans for that. Hopefully I've got some content coming of us trying to put one of these engines in 2 weeks and then going drag racing with it. That's the plan. Whether that happens or not, I don't know. Soon we'll find out, I suppose. But yeah, that should make for some interesting content. Some 4H swapping into old car. It's not going to be straightforward. It's not a Toyota, so to have all custom mounts and everything. So to get the welder out, no doubt we'll use a lathe to lathe some bits up. Use all my assortment of bits. Make up a drive shaft. Should possibly use that one depending on what we've got diff wise. But yeah, and then the plan is to also take the 86 to the drags along with the car that's going to be 4H swapped. Which, yeah, should be good fun. It's just an old school meet, so a bunch of old school cars. Should be quite interesting. I actually did a video earlier last year on it when I went just to have a look, but this time I actually want to take my car on, so try to get some video of that as well. So yeah, stay tuned for 4H swapped awesomeness. It's a light car, so I should be able to do skids. Yeah, blue top 4H, but we'll make it work. Just need to find bits now.